Let's read the animals then. Chick, pig, tractor, yes. Come put it down and read the book. Okay. Look. Let's open this. What is this? Peter. Well, Peter has a ball. And this is Jean. Jean has skates on. This is Peter and Jane. Come, let's tidy up your books. Come, let's tidy up your books, okay?